Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chomi V. Thanks to all my subscribers and to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do so that you can get notification for all the amazing videos I'll be posting on this channel. So today's video is for all my lovely moms out there and everyone out there who wishes to make a birthday cake for yourself, for your children or for your loved ones, but you are so scared of using the butter icing or the whipped cream. Watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you the hack and techniques you are going to be using to make a very beautiful birthday cake for yourself and for your loved ones. So I started decorating this cake, and by the way, the fillings was made with the most delicious Belgrade cake fillings. I think I have the video already in my channel, and I'm going to be posting the link somewhere here so that you can go and watch it and learn how to make your own Belgrade cake fillings for your delicious birthday cakes and your wedding cake. Okay, so I started using American buttercream icing. Meanwhile, I have been decorating my cakes either with whipped cream or with Swiss meringue butter icing. But this time around, I said, okay, let me try the American buttercream. I don't really like it that much because of the high sugar that it contains. Okay, but this time around I decided to give it a try. Okay, so I don't know what I actually did wrong. I don't know what happened, but to cut the whole story short, while I was trying to decorate the cake, make the frosting, no, it wasn't really giving me what I had expected. I mean, I have been making and decorating cakes for a very long time, and I always come out with smooth edging, smooth icing. But this time around, when I was doing it, it wasn't actually giving me what I wanted. And I know that this is what most of us experience because I see a lot of people tell me that, like, Vera, how are you able to decorate your cake so smoothly that I have difficulty in doing that? So I definitely know this is what most of us are experiencing. So keep watching this video so that you can see all the difficulties I experienced in using this American butter icing, and then how I was able to fix it. Okay, I was able to fix it. Okay, but before that, I want to give a shout out to Joyous Cakes and More. I mean, she has been so nice to this channel, always commenting, liking, supportive. Thank you so much, sis. Thank you. I love you so much. Thanks, and God bless you. So I started smoothing out the cake, being that I do not have experience with the American butter ice cream except for the Swiss meringue and the whipped cream. When I started smoothing it out, I discovered that there is these air bubbles that are very stubborn and difficult to come out. Can you see? Just take a look at. This is the first time this is happening to me, except when I was just starting this cake decoration journey. Like, I couldn't believe this was happening to me. The more I try to smoothen it out, the more rough it becomes. And I don't know if you notice, the cake board I was using is this plastic and it's not even helping matter at all. Decorating with cake board is much better because this one is like it even make everything more difficult for me. So but I was just thinking, what am I going to do? Because the more I try, it gets even more rough. And I know that a lot of you has been experiencing this, and most people at time they will even lose the cake decoration or they will give up because of this. But just keep watching because you are going to see what I actually did. I was like, no way. Even though this is happening, I am going to fix you out. I am going to do something. I'm going to be delivering this cake. Okay, so see, I even tried smoothing up the top of the cake, smoothing the edges, but it wasn't giving me what I wanted. In fact, this day I felt like crying. Honestly, I felt like crying. I don't know if this has ever happened to you. Let me know in the comment section. So not knowing what to do, I just quickly remembered something. I said, no, I'm going to do something else. Can you see me? That was tissue. I used that tissue only for cake decorations, okay? So I started using it to, to form some rough, since the cake itself decided to be rough. So I started to help it to get more rough. So I decided to use the tissue to make some kind of roughy decorations on the cake, because that was the only thing I could think of. And when you are decorating your cake and you see that it's not giving you what you want, please, you can go to to whatever direction is giving you and make something good out of it. So this is what I decided to use. You can actually do this. You don't know how to decorate your cake with the butter icing or the whipped cream. You can actually rub it on it and then use something like this. You don't need to have all the utensils for a cake. Like I have everything, most things that every bakers have, but yet it was tissue that came to my rescue. And so this is it. After I have roughened all the edges and everywhere the cake, all the cakes with the tissue, I started decorating it. Okay. I said, yeah, this is what I was doing, and as you can see, the cake is looking more like it. It's looking more like a birthday cake now. So, but this is just it. The edges, everywhere is raw. But when you look at it, you will know that this is actually a decoration. Yeah, it's actually a decoration and not that it just happened. Okay, so this is it for those of us baking, yeah, having difficulty. You can just create something, do something. You must not get it so perfectly, okay, like a professional baker, but anything you do, so long as you just rub it something, paint it. Oh my god, I'm laughing now, but the day I made this cake, I almost felt like crying, honestly. Yeah, but at the end of it all, the outcome was given. So that was practically what I did to rescue this birthday cake, and it worked. I'm glad it did. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.